This is why you want snow stops on a metal roof. Hopefully you guys can see that. But we bought the house like this. The eaves troughs was already destroyed from previous owners because they didn't install snow stops with the metal roof, and so the snow ends up sliding off in this huge sheet that's sticking out about 2 feet over the overhang at least. So we got to get some snow stops installed, and we planned on replacing the fascia and the soffits and the eaves. We're gonna make it white. It's gonna be white and gray, still a green roof though. So yeah, so if you have a metal roof, this is what happens if you don't put snow stops. This eaves trough too, it wouldn't have been cheap. It's all that seamless eaves troughs, and now it's just destroyed. Well guys, let's see if we can get rid of some of the snow on the roof. These big ice ridges here, I'm scared will hit the windows. So we'll see how this goes. I'm not going to go that far on the roof. Get the weight off here. So now we'll do up here. I'll try and get more here so it doesn't fall by the doorway. These boots always come undone, the laces. Mine's not that hard. shovel gets stuck on the bolt holding down the roof. This is the main area I'm concerned about. So when someone comes out the door, they don't get knocked in the head with fallen snow or ice. There's actually not any ice on the roof there. It's just right here. You can see the roof. Now I just wait for it to slide down again, and then I come just knock it off. Knock off these last little pieces of ice. Good enough for now. I wanted to get mainly by the door. It's going to start falling here. And then the roof will just slide off on its own. Everything's wrecked already, so I'm not really saving anything. It'll just help the snow to start getting moving. Should really just go get the tractor. I think I'll do that. I'm gonna get the big Minneapolis Moline and clear all the snow out of here right away. I think we're still supposed to get some snow, so just wait until it's over. Sit down.